mangrove forest. The flooded woodlands connecting the land and sea are among the most ecologically important habitats on Earth. There's always something interesting to spot in these forests. But have you ever slowed your footsteps to just listen? Each morning, a collection of sounds greets the first visitors of Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve. While conspicuously coloured, stalk-billed kingfishers have a tendency to perch motionless, making them difficult to spot. However, you won't miss their distinct and loud contact call. Designed as the predators of fish, its cone-like beak allows it to dive into water smoothly without noisy splashes that expose its presence. Charismatic reptiles called mangroves their home too. Asian water monitors are abundant in this reserve, and they make their presence known as they wade across the mudflats. These territorial lizards are excellent hunters, often whipping their tails to produce loud noises and show aggression. Shh! Here is a weaver ant's nest. While it sounds peaceful to us, the world of hardworking ants is probably noisier than a wet market. With the contact microphone, we can hear even their tiniest footsteps and nibbles. Ants utilize chemicals like pheromones as their main channel of communication, but are capable of signaling with vibrations as well. The duty of these patrolling ants is to detect any signs of intruders. Like this unknowing carpenter ant that is wandering into uncharted territory. Alas, the intruder was found, and the alerted weavers are now gathered to eliminate the intruder. At noon, the mangrove quietens as it slips into its daily nap. Even as most creatures take a little rest beneath the ruthless afternoon sun, the wetlands are far from silent. The cicadas are choristers of the forest, singing continuously to attract females. These singers, however, are ventriloquists who are only heard and seldom seen by their predators. Different species of cicadas also have different songs that they recognize their conspecifics by. The mangroves seem to be awakened once again as the night falls. The users of acoustic signals for mate attractions are not restricted to just cicadas and crickets, but also crustaceans like crabs. These sesamic crabs advertise themselves to females with sounds produced through tapping, leg stamping, and vibrations. The unique symphonies of mangrove forest are mesmerizing, and we know that acoustic signals are important for the effective communication amongst wildlife. But the mangrove soundscape faces threats from not just deforestation, but also noise pollution from anthropogenic sources. The long-term effects of man-made acoustic input are yet to be properly understood, making baseline monitoring of soundscapes all the more crucial. The conservation and the understanding of existing soundscapes in mangroves are up to us. Start immersing in and discovering the sounds of the mangrove before they are drowned out.